So here's a quick guide on how to create attacks for the game. So the first thing you want to do is increase the number in here by 1 in order to add a new attack. That means there can now be 4 attacks in total. So copy and paste here, increment this number. Give the attack a new name just to let yourself know what it is. We'll go for test here. This first number is how much damage the attack does. This second number is the speed at which the attack goes. This third number is the range of the attack, how far the attack will go before it stops. This fourth is a value between 0 and 1. 0 means the attack will move in a straight line, 1 means the attack will move in an arc, so it's more like something that's been thrown. 4 is the number of projectiles that are fired at the same time. For example, in the claw attack, 4 claws are spawned, whereas in the web attack, only 1 web is thrown. Uses is how many times you can use the attack before you have to reload. I've set it to be 6 as a sort of a default. This is reload time in seconds, so for example once you've used all 6 of your attacks it'll take 2 seconds for you to be able to use the attack again. These last 3 booleans, are does the attack cause bleeding damage, does the attack cause poison damage, and does the attack slow what it hits. The only thing left is this, projectiles. What you need to do is you need to go into the preload scene here. That's scenes, double click on preload. Wait till it loads. Click on the game manager and then look here in the inspector for attack list. Increment this list by 1. And then find a projectile and drag and drop it into the new element you've just created. Projectiles are kept in the projectile folder. In order to create a projectile, just copy and paste one of the ones that already exists. Okay, apparently we can't copy paste. Oh wait a minute, yeah, drag one onto the screen and that'll create an instance of that. Then you've got to change the sprite, which you can do somehow. Give me a second here. Yes, sorry. Change the sprite by finding whichever sprite you want to use in the art folder. Art projectiles. So this is just an image that's been imported. So drag and drop whichever sprite you want to use. Let's just use the bullet one for this into this value here. Change this into whatever you want it to be called. We'll call it test. And then drag and drop this instance of the object into here and it will create a new prefab. So now we've got a new projectile. All we need to do is go into the game manager, drag and drop our new projectile into element 3, and then change this value to element 3. And that will create a new attack that can be used by the player. The proper system for implementing attacks hasn't been done yet, so see how this is number 3 on the list. It starts at 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. Go into car controller, and then first line of the start class here, you'll equip the attack you want, so change this number to 3 in order to test your attack, save, and build. And now when you click on the screen, the player should attack with the attack you just created. I don't know if you can see that, but it is working. Maybe I should have used a projectile. Anyway, any more questions, let me know.